Good evening, my beautiful followers. my beautiful fan, my fabulous haters, and my humble viewers. You guys are welcome aboard. Thanks for being here. I remain your humble queen, your beautiful queen. You said this head the verse. Wait, make an arrange matter. May not be suffocate me here. Let's say now laying the paddle. This head the verse. The paddle anyhow. No, feel so you. So I remain your humble queen, your sexy queen, your loyal queen, your one and only originality baddest queen, the original daughter of Obasan. You understand? So please, first of all, before I start to even thinking of saying good evening to you all, good morning, good afternoon from wherever you're watching me from. Before I start to talk about some issue that is not issue, that irrelevant people try to turn to an issue on social media, in the lack of no sentences, in the lack of no topic, in the lack of nothing to talk about, in the lack of joblessness, in the lack of all and all. First of all, I want to remind you that on the 10th, I, my able self with my lady legend, my lady of song, the one and only lady of song, gonna be in Berlin on the 10th. Alright? If you haven't booked your ticket, go and book your ticket, go and buy your ticket. You understand? Thank you very much. And on the 11th, don't forget, we'll be in Ratingen, Dusseldorf. On the 11th, you see the link, the phone number, everything on my platform there. If you haven't buy your table, if you haven't booked your ticket, if you haven't buy your ticket, if you want to buy at the gate, it's also allowed. If you want to have your ticket before going in, not to be in the queue, you can also buy your ticket or book your ticket by calling on the phone number you found there. So get your shoe ready, get your igele tight, wear your akbola, wear your glass, wear your makeup, wear your lassie bros, wear your pants, wear your shoe. Let's go on the dancing floor on the 10th and 11th in the country called Germany. All right, that one is there. And again, on the 19th of September is the marriage ceremony of our beautiful sister, Dominion Talk Show. I myself, I am the DJ of that beautiful event. Mo pele Dominion yala wodo. Jesus. Oh! Jesus. I will. It go tough. It go make sense. Yeah. Domino yala wodo. But I swear se one balance with my Serato too. You know understand? That one aside. And Spain, you guys should also be getting ready to accept Our Lady of Song in Spain. So thank you guys, thank you so far so well for your turning on, for your support, for your everything. With the people that know the meaning of celebration, we appreciate every one of you. We enjoy the unity. Now let's go there. Now hold your value one. Yes. Now hold your leg. No value one. When you hear this Ogboga event no rewe bona ya ke topic with social media. If I bonnet because why? He can't tell Vason, Isaac Beba. Why ya dog I get and I get many. Why dog I get and I get many? Why dog I babo? Can no more the bottle, can no make an arrival, can no make an academy tie, and the mess with the Anita or Barine. Ona hitayo no ja dami wo wa mu no ma wa si o ma wa tu no de wa mo no de pagbe na wa ya bunu na mo bo wa giage no he wa giage o wa he ofo you be ro no wa he no mu ye ma ka wa yen Ama go talk him you wa when wa the Madrid no my sister wa Esther wa there Madrid no mu ye maka go kwa yen ama go talk na do him wa social media no wa do sian eni yere wa be usena wo reason no fuwa ama wa be agu yo Maria you mo me wo reason no fuwa on de gbenize no fuwa re na agui ka Maria no fuwa you mo me gun mo me gidi ne be ma give him me go ni ke ya gidi ekia mana after una don shop una go belle full una go see they look for extra expanding una go put na they make people na not degree certified for what you una get for the little way God take bless una even wa mana ene no wa serve ko efo jeje bari no gawa to amusi emi afefe mu mo ki ame bible mu mo ki ame ba mo mo ki ame ba wa mo jo mu yen mo sapa rodu mo abiona enu hia uba ame bo ki akin o ki akin ni bi o wa o ki akin egbe nu kere o ki akin le local government nu kere ero bi ajenu 24 bit ero bi ajenu there's no sarugwe no bi bagwa ame ba wa kan akin uwu e na be kan lenu wa igbe bi mu kan lenu wa ati wo logo o kan lenu wa so o kan lenu wa be yore wo sunu ejeme no mo so pogo no mo se gogo no la upe gbodo gwa no biniki do sta do pa ino mo no giolose ni ebe ka mo gwa ge ma ni matu yen ko igo dien bibi egbe me kile kele ya segbe limousine ya mo ko no me go yo godo aya receive we bonore men and women embrace her man and boys and old and young everybody embrace her who are not the few people that are not even relevant that are not just listen ya ni pobo no ma ya fe oh mi ne we no ma not be everybody wey clap really the way they clap for you not be all of them mean well for you some might be clapping for you awa age can on end some might be clapping for you awa age can always say but why some will be clapping for you for the depth of their heart to make sure you go up there ya ni pepu se ni pema ni pegogo oloyo ma si won ogele wari o ma ye ho ogele wa we won ma bere aweno ave ma na musician ya si won ni buni mehe no ri pepi lo by this time ari e ave ma wo pe ma na me musician pe ni e guitar be do ya pe ni e guitar be ya support ni mehe no ri pepi lo this time around is e opa e ba e ha e na se ha yo igbe awe na ya pe no ma geri ogele no igeri ono ori en egbe but oyere hege ye gbere vane ege no mane ke no ni tumie ke mane matu no 2% network she's not even saying it but wana ni meme boya petu nu yafo meme boya petu orisi yafo wa ya gwale me nu ware ge no tage no daji wa ga ze gboba na gboba ze pa we obi baba no ma pa evagian o esta ni mo se no gelo so gian o no pa mo go ne no pa ne no support 24 bit na I want 24 bit mo go ne no ya support no ya te no sense no we support bona ne I want bona mo go ne no ya talk nonsense why not just let these people enjoy it even at the bomegi ya gre iya gre na do bo twese ke no wa je ya gwe wa ka mi agu gi adona na ka du gi fone wa ka mi agu gogo ni ya dire na go jowa wa ka mi agu kebe no de we na go riere wanu no mos le corona ya pe ma yo wa ira be me ma ne mi magia hell who get there Edo festival is gonna be bomb. It's gonna be light. When they put a light, oh sakpo. Edo festival. Oh sa. A music concert at 24 BTA. Una wa tu nye. Was a festival. Hey. Yeah, when I'm again, ekita mana weke awamana na gboma. Even if your boy they are equal to the task and they are capable. Ziebeke do festival. By this time, if JJ Barry or Gakpata ambassador or I've been doing this thing for 10 years, and by this time, nobody is competing with him, and nobody try to do along with him. You go me say we not like better thing. You go be like saying they do something boring, something way not make sense, something where people no want join, something where people no want put body. But he has been doing it, and it they make sense. 24B say they make sense, and they have been working together. They have been working together. You see, I say they make sense. This bros, they do say they make sense. If I see startup for this, I go see make sense. Fuck it, say that they're the same country, but they are doing the same job. They are doing the same job. You see, I say what the boss they do, they make sense. Now you see start them up. You follow up. You see they do it well. If another person for check there now, see, I say wow, and they take the body with 24 BT now, or why they make sense? The thing they go well, they go see Papa for check there. They'll begin they do them. They go begin they do them. If anybody not they compare to anybody not try to do what they do, means they not what they do not make any sense. It not make anything. It's boring. It's just blah. You know. I don't see what you not they fight for. Me I don't see fights here. Inside her, a calling to voice where here. Inside her, everybody get group. Each and every one of them they have crew. They have their own group. They have their own crew. If this one support me, the other one not support me. This is my crew. These are my people. These are the people I'm working with. These are the people who love me, who know I can do it for them even when I'm not there. They will also support you. The other crew will also support. Then you will see somebody inside that that will support. Generally, you go there this side, you go there this side. Everybody cannot be stupid at once, and everybody cannot please everybody. What's what is going on there? What are they made this matter work on the escalate go where not supposed to go? You get ticket in my year I said they hustle for visa. They hustle for everything. Nothing comes easily. You notice when they begin to plan this journey, no. One can use my sharp math and scatter everything for them. Why? One use my sharp math and scatter for them. What that this presenter press 24 bit, not press JJ Barry. You go press JJ Barry. What that this one press JJ Barry, you not press 24 bit. You go press 24 bit. Press him. Press them. Hate them. They are doing what your elder brother cannot do, even though your brother get money. He never do one. Come on there. What talo? Now don't turn out to topic. Now message to Edo movie industry. Message to not this Edo movie industry, brother, sister. You where they use them, they make live videos since how many days? How many times have you sent them money for to produce one movie? How many times have you sent them a script to write? How many times have you given them story to talk about? Have you ever patronized them? Una not the follow, few of them not the follow our Nigeria, I don't move in the celebrity for Instagram. But when they follow other Nollywood actors. But also if you read the time to narrate them, to condemn them, to drag the super drag the look Pamela, una go begin the main topic. Their name go come begin, you go come begin vital for una mouth. What is all this? They're gonna normal ya one night. When? What your topic? Have you yesterday? Let me go give one. Why would you not talk about party where they go for on the 11 again? And then we get party on the 11. We get party on the 10 for Germany. More God dance, more cover this nonsense where they talk. What is better to wanna go to and not talk? Talk about the event. Talk about those festival. Talk about something else. Stop talking something when we say they don't carry can't give you a something. They don't carry a can't give you a topic. The destiny come to tell you say talk about this thing. No. The anybody come to you? No, you don't even have the time. The 24 bit contact you to come and be defending nonsense. No. The Delta contact you to come and speak for her. No. Then what is your fucking business? What is your problem? What is itching you? What's the what's one now? Everyone, Jane, so now you be for this social media presenter. When I go press person small letter and begin to narrate the person unnecessarily. Why all this noise? Why? And when I need pop on mama, you are mama. And when you are talking about time, no area. What is it? I can't get us yama. I can't get us yama. I don't know, why this one not like this one? Why this one not like this one? It's still Hollywood movie. Now say they do family meeting. It's still Hollywood movie. Una say they do family meeting for inside. Occasionally they meet. On celebration time, they celebrate those who are celebrating them. Why una all go different? Why una want turn out to Ekpere? Why una want turn out to Ese? What is it? I know you feel like matter there low, like say matter come. You go you be like so na not see her. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. And I remember this zoom down. That's why the time I was not one woman I know where you were never done. One Sylvia and you're talking at you way. You see la silo. Huh? Never see people like this for my life. Oh. Hello, I'm not celebrating. I'm not celebrating. I'm not celebrating. Okay. Where you do it? You do it. Let the person know you follow her. Forget to not celebrate her. What if the person celebrating not me work for her? Does it count? Does it even make sense? Why not they think? Now work like. You work when you put down your job. You don't want to take him. Jesus. You could one level why you have a topic in social media. I have to promote it. Now you got to feel you way on every promotion. This is no longer a promotion. Can you want to set it with the bower of a mudia? You remember a promotion with women? I did not see any promotion here. On that promotion, I went promotion and my car not buy. This one not join. It was one of my pony Sandra. What we have found the Mudia Banner where Larry, why what is the cost quarter between the two of them? On Amieta, not by Meta, Panapata, now where I like this one, I follow this one, not by way like this one, you follow this one. Safi! Oh! And you was say, we got my cock of a bow worry for a man of all our cannot for work. I said that's not for bonnet, but boy, not below. Said in the Central Lago, for neck, I never lago dog. Every performance to my years of one leg, but my brother is one leg. So who was none of your guy, and I know what beggar take a fair value, maybe fair value, no one no time, no say, and fair value, no. Oh, go on, I can't bear. This friendship made forever. It's by chance if you see friendship will lead you to your eternal end, to the edge where God take. What you got back, baby, you're like Benny. I want to be like this. I was on my sister. Why not be like this? Huh? I want the buffalo. Now, Leo. Because if I look at why I have a topic in everybody. Now, those that do topic. You don't go round. I propose with one. I propose don't fool. Or whether don't carry, don't carry tire. Or with one. I tell the talk. As not the talk now. But now we are not your bonu wajen na every damn. Yeah, when you're done. But why not ball? I don't get used. Some of them where they come on, I know they go the party. I say house for the comment. I say house for the go the party. I know they even they go. I go they use my they cause trouble. What the boy are in the party? Why they bela dana who wanna him? Na me be this. Moga different. The better. Moga ni nyowe the better. Your wagwa. Why you level ko no dey ame? Huh? What is all this? Why you guys are not mahu? Wala wo. Ekinu wa don na ma o. Ekinu wa don na ma go na go le gbọ́dọ̀ na ta na get support. Talk about the next event of My Lady of Song. Talk about this show coming on the festival on the 18th. Story concert is almost coming to an end. It's almost ending. So on the 12th is the last. Sunday is the last concert of story concert of a 24 showdown. Let's talk about the next one of the 18th festival. Let's continue let the celebration continue on and on. Instead of condemning it with a bad song. Make me so. Can we don't know why we are using that damn? You may feel it. But what silly we are not give one you way here. I no ma on no ma on wetin I give one no we my fair blood this one will not make sense first. Now wow. This matter not make sense. Why the promotion we can go and what here. And when I promote get what they support, it was fun. It was very fun. You go this one platform, go post this one, go post this one, go post this one, go post. It was going fun automatically. I don't know what time why you kegbe wa gae fo wa gae ogba to gba hun la wa kia bala wala wo marriage Germany we dey Friday. On Friday we dey Germany. On Saturday we dey Germany. On Friday is in Berlin. Saturday level is Ratingen Dusseldorf. Go book your ticket. Let it better continue. Man, not listen to all those nowhere. Nehe ken. I got damn na. Wo. Ona agwa wa wetin wa gwa senia. Gien wa accuse wa ro pa. Una we be adult people. Now they talk and say be the movie industry not dey grow. Na dey grow. Na the industry not dey grow. Movie industry not dey grow. Movie industry not dey grow. Music industry not dey grow. Nakpa not dey grow. Nakpa ma grow. Ada devil. Ada de come. I give a grow now. Why are you away? A bang of it is one boom in Ania. And now you want the boom now. Boom. We are going diaspora now. Going higher. No one use matter drum. Why you come and you wear? No one is not tell people where they do one. Why you say come and you wear? Now you they accuse everybody. They accuse them. What is all this? Is Mama let your son see member of her tomorrow? She is. Why you be fucking? Why money motor energy? Why not the set fire anyhow? People will not understand. I'm not give one. I'm not give one. Why are you in your way? I'm not give. Me want come out that they can support my gadget body for Wedo Festival. I just now say make I call Oga boss Destiny Bagwa. Me ask how the show they go for Germany they be. Now then I say I want go live for one support Wedo Festival where they come up. He say why the 24 bit buy? He even asked me to add 24 bit to the promotion. Nobody made it. What is 24 bit? But why we back with man? We just do it together. We back and made the promotion. You they continue. He even asked me to do it. What's it gonna be this fight? One upon the fight. One not come this instigate trouble to these people who sit down their own. Why not be like this? Now even they say add 24 bit to this promotion. Now what say the guy they try. The guy is doing well, yeah. Why not come they say trouble for where trouble not there? Me no can understand you now. Oh my mama so give one green na me no know. Who give una market? Who give una market? Eh? Can I wasel? Can I want myself? What one none here? None of the body so case one where my jail will put. That's one. You don't say now. I bet no case one any eh. No case one any eh. What is 20 let's know what you over you waru eh. Now no start to the hear his name. That's one. Everybody clock better no one. Don't you look on many years ago before not be today start. 24 bits not go up to almost say. You just start of the always want to back my way. May you say organize John person more than they do. Instead of condemn me, try to start to make trouble for them. When we hear, when we mock party, when we hear, when we support up, when we like we promote the Nigerian of Jeva. I never mention upon Webeje. When you born in Jay, manage upon Meje, Unuka Canana, they are promoting why you are Bobby the Bovara. Why are Sule no Suluwa? Why are Kanama Khan? Why does no magunu wa? Then I want in night. They don't give this one money. They don't give this one money. They don't give this one. Agia! They know they said that before they buy. They know they pray before they carry. They know they pray before they carry. Agia! I will never ya gonna never ya beggars in what time. Shy. So annoying. I want to give just one moment. This one, I'm not celebrating knockback. Knockback, my celebrating knockback. Knockback, my celebrating knockback. Yija. una let us do this party where they grant the peace. 24 bits Wese. JJ Badu Wese Rame. Rame there's no way back. Wese. Wese, you guys are doing well. You guys are doing absolutely well. Mama, when you were on a name, you better on Winania. Why to you now? Mani never bona geneniku. Ma here. War attend all. No ma okay. Artists not the those festival now. All the story concert. Not the story concert. All the festival. Can't you see we want to see the one with the country or that one? They me only na make a 900 we gonna witness all. Ima leya lega. Celebrating your affair because they want celebrating. Why grow? Here grow. Okay, we grow now. Walao. Oh, you must see one. You know your webo. Why do you wire more marry? Oh, you must see one. Maybe you'll tell me why I'm a guitar. What was one? See one. A guitar. What is Senna? Man, I go like guitar too now. Why do you know what more area? I can go why up to you. Must see you like bear. I go give away too now. I give away enjoy. To be the no, I'm not come this year. Maybe by the grace of God, I'll do next year. Yeah, by the grace of God. But not by next year, everywhere go good. I all day with Mama, and because I want day with Mama for she get sad. Now make me not come. You can end to bring me. I'm not too tired. You know understand? So please, may una let us enjoy this bedu way they grant. Why do you know your money as my boy? You don't believe you. Why you want to do you wa? Wala ho. We get to festival. You go no ruwe. Nana 24 beauty. Una na music concert. Story concert. The writer and put music concert. Nana mama artist ibere na obiere. Festival is approaching. On the 18th is festival, your festival, our traditional festival. On the 18th is Edo festival. Why you know Maria? We're gonna attend all of them. So please, my beautiful brothers and sisters, those who love celebration, don't listen to Ganga Walahu. Walele came in on Maniro, Waga support TV with ma. Cause enu ya support TV ma, eri obe ya so wegbe wa ko e. Yes o. Enu ya support TV ma, eri obe ya so wegbe wa ko e. Enu ya mugie bi ma beria, eri obe ya mugie owo weria wa ko e. That's why just be a karma. Karma not get friends a bitch. If fuck with anyone. You understand? Someone a take her easy, one your piano. Okay? What take her easy? Awa ibaye le ekene ezoje wa gwalezo wa gwalo wa kwa yo egbe wa le mi me ma ni gbe gba me. Wow. I feel no fear now. Anyway, I want you to say make I can't drop this now be this. If you know you are my fan, you are the lover of Stainless and the lover of my lady of song, my lady legend herself. Please turn up for us on the 10th in Berlin. We're gonna be there live and direct. I will be on stage with my lady of song on that day. Come, let's come and have fun. Also, the next day, I know they tire. For this kind of matter, I know they tire me. And this kind of matter not fit tire me. This kind of matter not they tire Stainless. Baby. Come on, buddy. You know they tire me. On the left, I sit there with her for rat again. At this stage. Come on, come play. Come dance. Forget this many noise. When I get alone, I get alone with many last card. Il est venu qui voit jamais. Ya wa bi ade mi ke wa make ya no egbe wa be samo. Gege. Ade boyo. Ai. Wa me ya boy ya gba unye kun won kwere. O ma mi ya. Come here, come they talk many shit. come dey set fire for where fire no dey. We dey walk around vuri. We dey full everywhere. Support popori everywhere, every junction. The bad for you. Babe, never sit and take walk water. They here they talk shit. Come on there now. I want for you. I like boli ki wagogo. Ikuroe wagbe. Do wawe saga waka ananaze no wagi makaku fo wake do ananaze. Ado atie result. Say less you too like cassava. Toby, don't make me laugh loud. Wagbe, wagugena ka phone, ugena ga ifone, wadu ana naze, adu ate no nwi, adu ate no mo first, adu ate no mo first, adu ate no ma mo first. Waji kuna, when you go to go this. I'm not there. Oh Jesus! You know they can't but do with this dance so when another guitar and DJ live band show. Off level na agbo bito agbe sangele. Sister we mami kuni. Sangele ya sangele yo mana woman sangele pamare wano sangele siki baby sangele. Hey! Ay agbe sangele. Opiri. Opiri, oh God. You could get easy, una dey miss. Now because una dey go, now make una dey. Anyway, they say eternal happiness, it matters a lot. If you have your own eternal happiness, you are happily inside you will not have time to be reasoning nonsense. All you're gonna be doing just to be having fun. But when you are not happy inside you, you just try to let people know, say, are they happy? I am happy. That does not serve you anyway, does not make you, rather will make you, you're gonna talk like person where they wacko, in the gara. So please, Peter will be a great here from SSP. So na so it be. All right? So wa reason wa agbala yo to na wa ka dai ni. Wa gi ma kwiku no ro to na ni. Edo festival no de na. Na gbebe, na fia dana. Na gbebe gbada odukun na. Wa gi ma ka ku ene. Aga gi ku ene. Wa na wa get wa so ate result. Wa do so anana. Ekenana yaseo, kenana na yaseo, no mo egbese o, no ma mo egbese o, eno re se lesi gaje o, eno moroko ne se lesi si o, uno ne se lesi won o, uno wo ne se lesi pion, uno ki ani wo, uno no bo bebe o, uno di me mie wo. Last, what does one attaining last? But na e gba je na, mo na let the enjoyment continue now. Why the enjoyment continue? Eshikina wa nwe ogano wa enjoyment continue wa le shiki me ayera with a salad wa very boy wa make na wala wo wa ga yere na ire no wa ye na ma make sense o ma make sense ya ma gi wa hu o ma make sense, to be honest, cause e man wa ri no be na ko ni ya ate movie ku gbe akwa na tege ya ate movie ku gbe akwa ye me script okpa na be ti ona we dogunmewe aye me script okpa na ye ti ona dogunmewe. You people should stop doing this. Stop when you na ka up to elaja giya me problem industry wa mana guya nya me ma bele problem ni ya me ba one always support us a fan, but everywhere fast as supporter now be the problem and una we not get juice for Facebook where be presenter. Now they increase all this food down, now they create problem for where problem not there. Now because me not see issue here. In every industry there always be a misunderstanding and they always know how to rectify themselves without individual interfering in it. But our industry don't turn out to public industry. Can already the industry, can edit the industry. Only tell me no sooner. Why this? Why? just because of say you be fan, you be supporter, or the other time I will see what happen, oh yeah, I go again. That is why I'm turning the industry to be public industry. What soon Nanji? What many go behind then ya we movie? And when you want any movie now, what they see between this yet more. I will be when I or then why white it being you egg bone why white it me why one no motor so la wa gafia wala. What is this? But one woman nya promotion wa gije. Are they promotion are they for you one corner? I want a promotion I work here. Well, oh yeah, really, I really don't like this so. Don't stop her. Voila. So that's just what I have, all I have to say, you know. I don't really have much. Okay, exactly. Why is your living? Come Berlin on Friday. On Friday, come Berlin. You want to toast me? Come Berlin. You don't like me? Your monomose. You don't like me? Tomorrow, when I not be Brazilian here, I will ask that woman. You don't like me? Come Berlin. Hey, good. You want there with me? Come right again. Akama. Ade, I don't have to worry pa. Ya don't cool. Ikwa jamais ne dosmatique. On a couru à vos vières. Ikwa vou vier, on a couru. Ikwa jamais. Ate bros, on est beku. Even now, so let's not go on. Ade, ikwa jamais. Ikwa yebe, ikwa ye. Ya de egbe wo egbe. Ado bole egbe. Everybody go body oh, don't be. Titi biti. Elede you get brain, oh yeah, there you know the be na. Ella, fine girl, don't feel waka with her hand back. Bros show, you like me and be? Come right again. That look cool. Come with money oh. You got your way. If that's why you longer, oh we got your way. I greet you with clear agility title. Even you, we go and then po. Oh God. But what I say, I'm not my that's me one night stand. You get it? I'm not my woman. I do that, baby. I got my woman. I tell you, one night stand. You get it? Maybe I say, I think I wear regular. I wear regular, maybe once in a month, 2 times in a month, or once in 3 months. Depends on what you say. But when I just say, I'm when you want to clay boss on top my toto. Now, one night stand, I work whatever bros. I work whatever I tell me, I work here with my bomber. Not keep passing. You understand? So, I got to come with Jamie this Saturday or this Friday. Patty Murphy! God, oh, you can't not do a stage. My Patty Murphy was arrested. She went there. Oh, cool, man. If I have your costume, go and walk by a cool. Hey, my park arrested with rat that again. Now go there. Oh, me abeg kosun ge pa. Pa you ready? My one my home. Ben worry last ka check up. Ma wa ku my mama. Epa my one ware stage ni. One aware hey. My saga king. My one gba ko e there yo. Ya ba the costume go e. Awa mama. Hey, let your Sunday got plenty mama gbobodo. May we job where you van. Hey. Aziza. Ooh. Ideli ya go. Ni go no rere. So Eriono. Well, no, my lepa. Whether you asset it, but what here? What the phone was you? Hey, and then you asset it, but that's again. And then Saturday, oh God. Hello, I got my balance is not very well. I'm a balance is heartbreak. Oh God. Hey, oh God. All right. So please stop the fight you are instigating. It doesn't worth it. It doesn't call for. Emanitian destiny have here. Emanitian star have here. Emanitian JJ Barry have here. Emanitian 24 bits is too much. Emanitian bugbe. Emanitian bugbe. No matter my can't. Any medicine they have been known. They are Juniver, they are headline. Even if Lady Oston not be headline this time around, they don't hear a headline. She's the headline, no one in Nania. So not be for that's for this fact she's a headline. You will see some book. The headline will discourage you not to read. Sometimes the headline will motivate you to read. So she's the headline this time around. She needs to be talked about. People need to talk about her. If they let them criticize her. If they lie, let them say they love her. If they lie, let them say they hate her because she's just too much. She's just on top for the now and forever. She's the one leading. So please, now so it be. Now so it be. Everybody time at time. Ego man say no man must la. Ego say ni na la. Wageni la. But why ask you? Why ask your guys? Why silekia gear? Why ask in enemy your author? That one would be very bad. That one me not like. Oh, when I do look by movie industry, look by not by no. Because tomorrow, then and then all together, they're still gonna work together. I don't know, so we bona verena kapa no na make agwa e Joshua pa na ke be sun we bona verena you know. So please let be frank and sincere. If you bona wajana mama make sense. Mama make sense at all. Talk about the next event. Talk about what is going on and stop talking about the irrelevant one. Those ones you are talking about, they are fucking irrelevant. They those who can't. Nobody's for me. I not see them. And the one where they play, where they show, now I see. I tell you, the one where they play, where they show, now I see. All those ones where not they play, where not they show, I not they see them. Please, oh, please. So everybody don't they say rest. Why we wanna support, promote. The promotion is what we need. Let's promote Edo Festival. Promote 24 bit. Promote Lady of Song. Promote our sons and daughters of the legends who are around. Promote them. See songs of praise about them. Give them applause. Clap for them. Let them know they are doing well. Do something. Not to start making enemy or creating enemy between them. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make any sense. So. Destiny is the father of everyone. He's the father of all. Nobody for that industry go say never sin. He never benefit from Destiny Bagwa for that Edo movie industry or music industry. Not few. I feel say he go hard. Where go say never benefit from the benefit financially or otherwise from Destiny Bagwa. He not there. And is he gonna do more for them? Is he gonna do more for them? By the time people like una begin to see who they do well, not they do well, it will come be like who they do, who know who they do before, it's not gonna be useful. It's discouraging. Come on, guys. It's discouraging. But then I have to worry about them in the Allah. Wala. If you don't maybe generally when the manakana, I not get brother, I not get sister, but all these people when they the picture. So, but they are still special to us. They are still someone's child. They are someone's brothers. If you spoil enough for them, what of tomorrow? Can you do it? Can you do what the destiny is doing? Can you do what 24-bit is doing? Can you do what the JJ Barry is doing? No. The answer is just no. So stop creating a limit. No man, the Bob that will be a movie industry before until now. You know they. And they will still go to do more. By the time I come to do this one, come to try to create a limit between them, it will come to discourage those where they will want to help them. Malaka kinu wa dona, when I bother na time at time, what am I when I time? I cannot make a sense. I make a sense. If they say you come na una, Emi ya come na wa dona. I want me work and I no do again. Wa dona, Emma, it not good. It not good. That woman and my own was here, go reach your tongue. People went there Europe today, no expecting they go there. When not that's come 2019. Even those who come 2019, they say they go abroad, they not go dream man because they not even did their agenda and their career that the day after first. But it happens to them. They visit. Let your song like Sandra no my Sadoka. She don't dey go the farm. See, Lady Sadoka, they don't come twice. It don't come twice because you now the opportunity don't come, she can be coming often. But then on the other hand, Lady of song now they come often. And Johnny not a boy, what and she sponsor herself. Oh, can you mind why got the bejo wala wo? Why got create an energy? And Johnny no watching that she sponsor herself. This one not join industry or join movie industry or join anything industry. So now own thing. She can't do her own thing because she knows she can do it. Wala ha. Oh, wow. What can I say? Oh, yeah, I don't call it salad. Ma? I'm gonna do German one of my wagon. Originally, they told me I'm all the bubble to say hello to my followers before she move. So, that's what it be. Voila. No one you cause problem unnecessarily. La wa here. Then me are in a bonus. Facebook one have nya. Wa be settle ene. But una don't make damage for where I not go feel repair. Una go cause the trouble now. I'll see constant Facebook now cause na Facebook now see shout. Una go soon I don't repair the matter. But the damage one I don't create, you go there. Una not go feel some again. So please, I beg una. Wa go ready make be ma give wa onge lady or something no so lo ba give agbon. Omo lo sa give agbon lady or something no ko no mo say. O ma give wa nu wa je na. O ma ka mu wa ma gbe yan poke ma bu gbe no egbo poke no ye egbo poke ye bun. Wala.
Food is ready. Chicken. So.
Wala o. Yin mi aje.
Ateni.
O fi azek me. Ya re chicken. O bi je me go chicken and salad is ready.
Hello, Kule.
Thank you guys.
All right.